I'm Carl and welcome back to my YouTube channel. We're going to take this opportunity to review this Smith's knife sharpener. It is called the Smith's Tool and Knife Belt Sharpener. Now this is not to be confused with the other style that is almost just like this. I don't say almost because the other style looks more like the Work Sharp brand, and this style is the same but different, if that makes sense. I'll put up a picture of the style that looks like the Work Sharp brand, and we'll put up a picture of this one also. So watch right here and you'll see it. I'm going to take about 3 seconds, 4 seconds, so you can compare the two. So what is this? This is part number 51194. This did come from Walmart. Smith since 1886. Okay, right here, 3 grade belts, 240 grit, medium. They're all the same grit. And I'm pretty confident in the other style from Smith's. It comes with 3 different coarse belts. Okay, it states that it sharpens knives, axes and hatchets, machetes, and hoes. So here's the look of, let's open this thing up. Now I've had this for about 3 months now and I haven't gotten around to doing a review on it yet. But let's go ahead and take this out and look at it. Here's the 3 belts. Go ahead and take these out of here. Here we go. Put this box aside. Now I don't plan on taking this back. I'm going to use this as an example for future videos. So if you notice, the other style that has a solid base right here, it doesn't come like a handle. Let's see here. I'm sure this rotates. Yep. Pull this handle right here, and it'll let you rotate this different directions. So just for right now, we're just going to put it right there. This configuration. This is just for tutorial purposes only. Okay, it's comfortable. Handle's a little bit small for my hand, but it is usable. Nice bright yellow, easy to find when you drop it on the ground. Plastic, Smith's logo right here on the side. On and off switch on the bottom. Rotating head. It has these 2 springs right here to keep the tension on the belt. Rubberized spots on the bottom, keep it from slipping. Like I said earlier, you can pull this little knob right here and rotate the head around. Let's see here. You'll see a little indentation right here. So it will connect into those spots right there. Let's see if I can turn that. You can see that pop into place. So that is pretty secure. Okay, on the sides right here, it has it doesn't say what degree this is, but this is for your knives or for your angles. Nowhere on here does it say what degree that is. Let me check in this booklet right here, go over this and see what it says. Okay, going through this quickly. Nowhere in this booklet that I saw tells you what degree this angle is. So if you don't really care about your angle, that might work for you, but for most people it is not acceptable Kitchen knives have a different angle than hunting knives. Japanese kitchen knives has a different angle than American or European knives. Let's see here. Nowhere does it have an angle on here. And that's not a good thing, is it? Okay. So, a little disappointing. So it comes with 3 belts. 3 gray belts. And to put these belts on, push down, take your belt, loop it in the bottom right here, come back up here. Oops, take that off first. Whoops. Put the belt on the bottom. Hook it up around there. Hit that red button right here. Locks back into place. And you'll see it is in these little tensioning plates right here. So as you're sharpening, your blade will never have a consistent angle. So let me grab what I just dropped on the floor. Okay, here's this guide here. I'm going to put that back on this way. There we go. Now to sharpen knives, I have one right here, such as this. This is a Sharp Select surgical stainless steel. I don't know where it came from, but it doesn't really matter. Anyway, you would put it on this angle guide just like this and slowly bring it down like this. To sharpen your knife. Of course, when the belt is running. And since this is like this, don't put your blade on this part right here. Put your on the flat end. So get your degree and slowly move it down across, which would be very, very easy to lose the angle. So let's see another thing. One advantage that this does have over the other model is you can take the blade all the way up to here. The other model, you're going to be off a little bit, about this far out, if you can see that on camera. But anyway, I'm going to go out on a limb and say this is not a good tool for sharpening your working knives, kitchen knives, working knives, but it would be okay for sharpening hatchets, shovels, hose, any kind of outdoor equipment like that. Lawnmower blades would be okay. I don't see any problem with that. So let me untwist this cord here. And plug it in. Okay. It does vibrate a lot. Got 2 speeds. Okay, the purpose of this rotating head to make it easier when you're sharpening your hatchets. So I'm just going to put my hatchet on here. Don't know what angle it is. Let's go back this way for viewing reasons. And now this hatchet already has a slight edge, but I can still do this without any problems. Now, I'm going to do the other side. Now I can feel what it did. It's going to take a little bit of time to sharpen that up better, but $34 at Walmart. Let's see here. $34 at Walmart. I don't know. Now, I looked on YouTube and I looked on Smith's website and I did not see any reviews on this. So I'm wondering if anybody has actually purchased this besides me to give a review on. I don't know. There we go. What do you think? It's not horrible for outdoor tools. It is horrible for your knives. Use it as at your own discretion. But I have several Smith's products, and I don't know. This is just a little weird to me. Sorry about the interruption, my friends. I had to go clear up some space on this SD card in the camera. But anyway, while I was in there, I was looking at the other model of the Smith's electric sharpener, and I should have noticed this before, but I wasn't paying that much attention. The other model has 3 wheels, and this one only has 2. So that's the biggest difference in the both, besides the sharpening angles. So that's how you can tell them apart. The one with the 3 wheels is better than the one with 2 wheels. And I'm not sure, I don't see why they wouldn't, but I'm not sure if they would take the same belt. Have to investigate that. So, like I said, this is a weird tool. I'm not real thrilled with it, but for doing your outdoor tools, I think it'll be fine. Just don't expect precision out of this thing. 35 bucks. I think you can find better for the price. You might as well just get the 3-wheeled one and do everything all at once instead of just limited use. But that's just my opinion. I do have videos of the other model, and I do have a video of the other model with the 3 wheels against the Work Sharp, which is the same concept, but more money and more quality. My name's Carl, and I do appreciate you being with us today.